Well, hello everyone, and welcome to a Wild Things lunch edition of More with Less. It's kind of a combo road riff and a lunch prep and a save a bunch of money on your meals. Wow, there's a lot going on in this video, and I just came up with it this morning because I know that the Milkweed Pods are ready. Now, I hope I haven't missed it and they haven't gotten too big. But one of the things I look forward to every summer at the end of July and the beginning of August is Milkweed Pods. I love fried milkweed pods. There's no way to describe them. They're really, really delicious. And I always harvest at least once or twice, at least once, usually 2 or 3 times during the season when they're available. And I have a recipe, I fry them up, and then we're gonna put that together with some inexpensive ham, bargain ham I found, and some brown rice, and have a really awesome meal for about $1 a person. So anyway, I'm on my way out. I'm running the roads here. You can probably see the dust in the background. But it's only about 3 miles from my house, so including gas, you know, it's still very inexpensive. So I hope you enjoy this More with Less, if I can keep from getting hit by that delivery truck. Well, we're here, and I hope I haven't waited too long because we are in August. First thing I need to do, keep the critters off. We do have ticks and chiggers. I grew up in the South. We call them red bugs. Yeah, let's go have fun. See if we can find something. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? So here's some that are already ready, but I have to buy them. I have to buy them. I need to pick them when they're under 2 inches long. I don't want to they get a little bit tough, and I'm a little bit late getting out here, and I'm gonna have to blame that on my videographer editor, because, well, he takes the blame for everything. So these are late bloomers, but this are the blooms that are on the top of the plants. I'm not gonna get any today, but I have fried these and they're actually good to eat. They're a great snack. So these are obviously late bloomers like me. Finally, a few we can work with. Yay! My wife actually likes the flavor of these. She just doesn't like the idea of them, because she thinks anything that comes out of a field is just weird, which a lot of people think that, which makes me feel like I'm just in my environment. The hills are alive with the sound of music. It's like going to the grocery store, only free, and I get exercise. It's a good day to be alive.